This video is brought to you by Altium 365, where the world designs electronics, and Octopart, the fastest search engine for electronic parts.
Get a free copy of Altium software using the link provided in this video description. Plus, when you sign up for an Altium Designer free trial, you will get Altium 365 and 25% off discount.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's video tutorial. So for today, we will be dividing into the exciting world of the Arduino R4 Minima. In this video, we're going to dive into the world of this compact yet powerful microcontroller board that is perfect for your DIY project and prototype. So let's start by getting to know the Arduino R4 Minima up close. So in this segment, we're going to delve deeper into one of the standout features of the Arduino R4 Minima, its incredibly compact design. Let's embark on a journey to uncover what makes the compact design of the R4 Minima a game changer. Number 1 is the miniaturization for versatility. The moment you lay your eyes on the R4 Minima, you will realize that size don't compromise functionality. This microcontroller board has been meticulously crafted to offer immense versatility while fitting snugly into even tightened space. Next is ideal for space-constrained projects. Whether you're working on wearables, IoT devices, or compact gadgets, the R4 Minima's compact form factor ensures that it won't overshadow your project. It's tailor-made for situations where size matters. Now, as we've seen, the Arduino R4 Minima's compact design is more than just a physical attribute. It's a philosophy that drives innovation and encourages you to think creatively. Now let's talk about the microcontroller power. At its heart, this board boasts a microcontroller that balances performances and efficiency, making it a great choice for a variety of tasks. What gives this board its impressive strength is its microcontroller. The UNO R4 features the robust Renesas RAM4 M1 32-bit Cortex M4 processor, which delivers a substantial enhancement in processing capacity, memory capacity, and overall capabilities. This advancement translates to a remarkable threefold improvement in the board performance compared to its predecessor. Time to explore the operating voltage of this board. So it is a steady 5 volts. What's great is that all the sensors that work with the previous board version, they are all completely compatible here too. And not to forget, those sensor libraries we've been using, they seamlessly integrate with this board as well. So when it comes to setting up sensors for different projects, it's a seamless process. Next is the GPIO pins. Taking a look at its GPIO pins, you'll see the array of options available for connecting various components. Whether you're working with sensors, LEDs, or motors, there's a room for creativity. So exploring the GPIO pins of the Arduino R4 Minima, these versatile pins act as the link between your microcontroller and the outside world, offering you a canvas to connect a range of components from LEDs and sensors to actuators. With both digital and analog capabilities, these pins empower you to create dynamic interactions and bring your projects to life. Next is the connectivity. Now let's uncover the USB connectivity in the Arduino R4 Minima, a feature that distinguishes it from previous versions. With a built-in USB, programming becomes hassle-free. Just connect to your computer, upload the code, and you're set. This convenience elevates the user experience, making project development smoother and more efficient. The USB port in the Arduino R4 Minima boasts a compact size fitting snugly within the board's design and provide advantages for space-limited projects. Its sleek appearance contributes to aesthetic while providing an ergonomic and user-friendly connection experience. Now let's talk about analog to digital converter or ADC. One of its standout features is the integrated ADC. which opens up possibilities for interfacing with analog sensors and translating real-world values into digital data. The analog-to-digital converter or ADC in the Arduino R4 Minima is a crucial feature that transforms real-world analog signal into digital data, enabling the microcontroller to process and interpret various sensor inputs. With its integrated ADC, the R4 Minima simplifies the interface with analog sensors, providing accurate and quantifiable measurements for better informed decision-making in your projects. These features enhances the board versatility by enabling the precise data acquisition and analysis from the physical world. The Arduino Minima stands out due to its compact form factor and power efficiency. With a smaller footprint, it offers more space-efficient solution for projects where size matters. It's also notable for its low power operation, making it ideal for battery-powered or energy-conscious applications. Despite its smaller size, the Arduino Minima doesn't compromise on performance, ensuring seamless integration with the Arduino ecosystem and access. The Arduino Minima distinguishes itself through its compact size, advanced power management, and a powerful 32-bit Cortex-M4 processor. This processor offers enhanced processing capability and memory, leading to a significant performance boost compared to earlier models. Despite its smaller form factor, the Minima maintains full Arduino compatibility, ensuring seamless integration with existing libraries and software. With its optimized power consumption, expanded memory, and compatibility, the Minima offers a compelling choice for projects demanding compactness and high performance. The Arduino Minima adaptability makes it an ideal choice for custom applications. Its compact size and advanced capabilities lend themselves to projects where space is limited, such as wearable devices, smart sensors, and an Internet of Things or IoT solutions. Its 32-bit Cortex-M4 processor enables real-time data processing, making it suitable for applications requiring rapid decision-making, like robotics or automation systems. Additionally, its compatibility with existing Arduino libraries simplifies customization, allowing developers to create tailored solutions for specific needs. Overall, the Minima empowers innovators to craft unique, efficient, and high-performance devices across various industries. In conclusion, the Arduino Minima opens the door to a world of endless possibilities. Its compact size, powerful features, and adaptability to make it a game-changer for makers, innovators, and developers alike. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the R4 Minima empowers you to bring your creative ideas to life. To dive even deeper in the capabilities of Arduino R4 Minima, make sure to follow our upcoming video tutorial where we'll guide you through the process of designing with this remarkable board. Stay tuned for the next chapter of this exciting journey and discover how you can turn your concepts into reality using Arduino R4 Minima.